Hi, my name is Tarun, and we all heard the news of Sushant Singh Rajput's passing away. He was a brilliant actor, and not just that, he was somebody who rose from almost nothing. He was an engineering student, and in the third year of he decided that he's going to be an actor. और फिर उन्होंने वहां पर से अपनी कॉलेज की पढ़ाई छोड़कर DTU में दिल्ली में वो पढ़ते थे मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग मुंबई आ गए और एक्टिंग करने का सोचा और फिर टेलीविजन उसके बाद फिल्म्स और हम सब जानते हैं उनके अचीवमेंट्स के बारे में इतने सक्सेसफुल एक्टर होने के बावजूद वो क्या था उनकी जिंदगी में जिसकी वजह से उन्हें इतना ड्रास्टिक स्टेप लेना पड़ा वी आर ट्राइंग टू फाइंड दैट आउट एंड व्हाई पीपल टेक अ स्टेप लाइक दैट उसके बारे में बात करने के लिए आज मेरे साथ हैं हमारे शहर के ही नहीं इंडिया के रिनाउंड साइकाइट्रिस्ट द वेरी अमेजिंग डॉक्टर भूषण शुक्ला सर थैंक यू सो मच फॉर बीइंग विद अस
Thank you, Tarun. Thanks for the invitation.
ये जो न्यूज़ है कल दिन में पता चली मुझे और जैसे सब लोगों को एकदम से बहुत शॉक हुआ और समझ नहीं पाया कि ये क्या हो रहा है आई एम श्योर आपको भी शॉक हुआ होगा ही वाज अ ब्रिलियंट एक्टर एंड देयर वाज नो साइन ऑफ हिम बीइंग डिप्रेस्ड और एनीथिंग लाइक दैट ही वाज फिजिकली वेरी फिट ही वाज वेरी एक्टिव ऑलवेज हैप्पी क्या लगता है आपको कि ये किस तरह की चीजें होती है लाइफ में जो लोगों को ऐसे स्टेप्स लेने पर मजबूर कर देती हैं डज साइंस हैव एनी solid conclusions about these things?
Well, I think, Tarun, you have touched upon the most important part that what we see up there for everyone is not the real thing that is going on inside. We often go by the external projection of happiness of a person and assume that everything is all right. That may not be the case, and that is something that we keep seeing in all these mishaps with suicides all the time. So it is important to remember कि जो दिख रहा है वो है नहीं शायद. So, and what are the reasons? That is another complicated question. There is no single, simple, straightforward reason which pushes people to take such an extreme step. We know that 40-45% people have some form of mental illness going on for some time. Now, this may be in the form of severe depression, even intense anxiety can lead people to suicide. Some people have very severe psychosis like schizophrenia, where they hear voices, they are very bothersome. Those voices can actually order them to harm themselves and all of that. So, though they are very safe to other people, they can be extremely dangerous to themselves. Then people under influence of alcohol or chronic drug addiction can also take this step. So mental illnesses do form a part, but they are not the primary cause. In large proportion of suicides that we see, good 50-55%, sometimes even 60%, we just don't know what the cause is. It can be a very impulsive decision taken under extreme emotional stress of some sort. It could be loss, it could be sadness, it could be anger, it could be frustration, it could be lots of reasons. But yes, people do get pushed to take such an extreme step in their life.
Right. Of course, बहुत सारे reasons होते हैं और हर किसी के अपने अपने reasons होते हैं लाइफ में परेशानी तो हम सभी को होती है और जनरली टेंडेंसी ये है कि हम उसको शेयर नहीं करना चाहते हम टफ बने रहना चाहते हैं हमें बचपन से सिखाया जाता है कि यू वेरी टफ एंड यू शुड बी एबल टू डील विद ऑल द प्रॉब्लम्स दैट यू फेस ऐसे में इफ वी नोटिस कि हमारे आसपास कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति है जिसको शायद कुछ ऐसी प्रॉब्लम हो रही है पर वो बताना नहीं चाहता अलग अलग रीजंस की वजह से एज फ्रेंड्स एज फैमिली मेंबर्स क्या कर सकते हैं हम लोग
Tarun, I think you have raised a very important point here that our conventional teaching is that you must be able to look after yourself. And no matter how difficult the situation is, you have to make your own effort to get out of it. I don't think this is the correct way to go about it. None of us are strong enough to take everything that life throws at us. Right. We all lean on each other. We all stand with the help of each other. So it's a matter of life and death to be able to help other people and to take help from other people. We are receivers and we are givers at the same time. We all stand together as a net. So it is important to remember that. And your second question about how do we know? That is again a very important question because sometimes when you see that there is a sudden change in pattern in which the other person behaves, people you know for a long time, their behavioral patterns, their interactions, their moods, everything. When you see a sudden change of pattern where a person starts avoiding you or starts avoiding everybody, starts staying alone for longer time, their overall mental frame sounds very negative. The most important criteria is hopelessness. This is, I cannot stress it enough. When people start talking about there being no hope in their life, when they start talking about future in the most bleak terms, where there is no point in going on, that is a red flag for you. When
हाँ,
someone talks like that, we must take cognizance of it.
right. अगर किसी को इस तरह के थॉट्स आते हैं, I'll be very honest with you. There have been times in my life when I have thought कि क्या मतलब है इन सब चीजों का? What does it really mean? You know, we can end it today or 20 years later, life means nothing, and we've all gone through some sort of depression. कोई भी इससे मैं आपका ट्वीट देख रहा था, you've written nobody is immune to these thoughts.
Yeah.
Personally, if somebody feels like that, आप उनसे क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
See, what you say is absolutely right. Nobody is immune. You have had those thoughts. I have had those thoughts. I'm a trained psychiatrist. I work with children. This is what I've been doing for last 25 years. And I have had extremely strong suicidal thoughts. There have been times in my life. And fortunately, with the help of friends, with the help of my senior psychiatrist, I was able to come out of that. It is important to get help. So what one can do when you realize that somebody is becoming aloof like that, somebody is troubled, it is important to ask them, कि भाई आप ठीक हो, क्या चल रहा है आपके मन में, हाउ आर यू डूइंग, you know, putting hand around somebody's shoulder, holding them close and asking them this question that are you okay, you don't seem okay to me, something is different with you, not wrong, something is different with you. This question will open the floodgates for you. Lot of people do not ask this question because they feel कि ऐसा पूछने से उनके मन में आइडिया चली जाएगी. भाई कोई इतना बुद्धू नहीं होता कि जिसने दुनिया के सब परिणामों की चिंता न की हो. We all know that. We all have those thoughts. So it's important to ask that question. It is even more important to hear them out. Like my teacher, Dr. Mohan Agashe, who's a veteran actor and a very senior psychiatrist. He was head of the Department of Psychiatry at BJ Medical College when I trained there. Yesterday, he said that the most important thing to remember is ज्ञान मत दो, ध्यान दो.
ज्ञान मत दो, ध्यान दो.
हाँ, जब लोग आपके साथ बात करना चाहते हैं, आप जब सवाल पूछ रहे हो, तो उनको फिलोसॉफी मत पढ़ाओ. उनको ये मत बताने की कोशिश करो कि लाइफ बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, अपॉर्चुनिटीज है, ये वो ब्ला ब्ला ब्ला. इट डजंट हेल्प. हियर देम आउट. उनकी तरफ ध्यान दो, उनकी बात सुन लो. और जब आपको लगता है कि ये बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड चल रहा है, देन टेल देम that it is okay to feel this way. It is absolutely all right to feel this way. Tell me, how can I help you?
Right.
Thanks for talking to me. It is important to tell them.
Right.
Okay. It is absolutely important to tell them that you are important to me. Let me hear you out. How can I help you? When you feel that it is overwhelming and it is beyond your ability to help them, emotional ability, there are helplines available in every city in India. These are free telephonic suicide prevention helplines. Right. You know, there is even an app which gives you a common phone number or a list of phone numbers to all of these. It's available on Android Play Store, Google Play Store. So download that, have these numbers handy, help them. Don't leave them alone. Loneliness and hopelessness are the two worst enemies which push people to suicide. Nobody can kill themselves sitting with 10 other people. अगर आप अकेले हो तो ये विचार आप पे हावी हो जाते हैं, they can harm you. So taking away that loneliness is really important.
हाँ, अगर किसी खुद को, किसी इंसान को, हम एक न्यूक्लियर सोसाइटी में इस तरह से रहते हैं कि बहुत समय हो जाता है जब हम लोगों से मिलते नहीं है, खासतौर पे लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, लोगों से दूर रहा जा रहा है. बहुत सारे ऐसे लोगों को मैं पर्सनली जानता हूँ जो अवे फ्रॉम फैमिली और बिल्कुल अकेले एक घर में रहते हैं. और ऐसे में अगर उस व्यक्ति को ये थॉट्स आए तो वो क्या कर सकता है? इफ ही थिंक्स कि मेरे पास कोई नहीं है टू रीच आउट टू, वो इंसान क्या कर सकता है?
This is a very good question, Tarun, because a lot of us are in this situation right now. First thing to do is to remember that your family is only physically separated from you, not emotionally separated from you. So keeping in touch with them, using this video call like facility where you can actually see each other, though you can't touch each other. This is important. Talking to friends is important. Another thing that I would advise is that if you are feeling really low sitting at home, go out and volunteer, help other people. Right now, we are in a situation where huge amount of social help is needed. So find out an organization nearby to you, which will take all the precautions and help you to help other people. Be useful. Sitting alone in your own room, getting cooked up, is very dangerous for your mental health. So help people who are less fortunate than you, and then you will actually find a meaning for life.
हाँ, एक और आखिरी चीज मैं आपसे पूछना चाह रहा था कि जनरली टू मेक श्योर वो स्टेज ही हमारी लाइफ में ना आए, ऐसी कुछ रेगुलर प्रैक्टिसेस हैं जो हम कर सकते हैं कि बिकॉज स्ट्रेस तो सबकी लाइफ में है। आजकल का जो हमारा वर्क एनवायरनमेंट है वो इस तरह से डिजाइंड है दैट योर कंपनीज, योर बॉसेस, दे काइंड ऑफ put a certain amount of stress on you on purpose. ऐसा ही हमारे एजुकेशन सिस्टम में देखते हैं हम लोग, किसी भी तरह का आर्टिस्ट होता है, दे गो थ्रू अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रेस, स्पोर्ट्समैन गो थ्रू अ ट्रिमेंडस अमाउंट ऑफ स्ट्रेस ऑन अ डेली बेसिस। क्या हम कर सकते हैं टू मेक श्योर दैट we give it an outlet and we make sure that we don't reach to a point where there's no hope?
Yes, we can. I can give you a few suggestions, but it is important to remember that these are suggestions for general good mental health. They are not specific suicide prevention suggestions. I don't want
Right.
to contradict myself. Just few minutes ago, I said that gyan mat do, dhyan do, and now I'm trying to give gyan. So I don't want to be in this position. The suggestions that I'm giving are for general good mental health.
Right.
So one thing to remember is that to limit your exposure to negative news and media around you. This is a big thing. Listen to things which make you feel better about yourself. It may even be illusion, but you need illusions to survive in life. So limit your exposure to negative people, to negative news, to few minutes every day. Try to stay connected to people who are really close to you, who matter in your life. Make a list of people without whom your life has no meaning, and make sure that you stay in touch with them. Exercise very regularly, even at home. Second thing that I have found personally very useful is a few minutes of meditation every day. I practice Vipassana. I learned that as a psychiatry resident long time ago, but I continue to practice that. It keeps me away from giving overwhelming reactions to what is immediate. It keeps me focused to the larger being of myself, and that has saved me a lot of trouble.
Right. Are there any tools available, especially if somebody is seeking help? कोई हेल्पलाइन या कोई ऑर्गेनाइजेशन या फिर कोई इंटरनेट टूल जिसके बारे में आप बताना चाहेंगे?
So one helpline that has worked in Pune for a very long time is called Connecting. It's an NGO. They run a free telephonic helpline. In Mumbai, you have Samaritans. All over Maharashtra, there is a helpline called iCall. This is run by Tata Institute of Social Sciences. So these are all free online or telephonic helplines that are available for people in Maharashtra.
Right. Wonderful. I think this was very helpful in calming me down also. कल से जब से मैंने ये सुना है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा था. I was in unrest, especially the kind of media that we consume these days through our phones, through televisions, computer screens. I now definitely feel better, and I'm sure this will help a lot of other people feel better.
Thank you, Tarun. Take care. And remember, I'm just a phone call away.
I will make that phone call whenever needed.
Take care.